6 in forever. Rock-a-block, Rockefeller.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit the subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Before we get into this vid, man, I gotta do my 14,000 subscriber toast. I appreciate everybody that's been rocking me. Look at my eyes. Look at my eyes. I'm tired.
He tired.
It's almost 10 o'clock. I gotta work tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? But I'm still busting out this vid for y'all, you know? But anyway, yo, let's,
Man, that monkey oil is gonna mess you up good.
no wavy magic needed, you know what I'm saying? Only magic is, I'm down to my last, you know what I'm saying? So, yo, we got the double black. I was gonna break out the other joint, but I don't feel like unhooking all this.
Wow, how convenient is fucking that?
And there's nothing else to break out. No, just, so, yo, appreciate y'all, man. Thank y'all for the, what is it called? 14,000. Good shot, all right. I'm only drinking a beer after this, you know what I'm saying?
Yo, man, your liver gonna shrivel up like a prune.
Shout out to the Wave Mob, everybody that's been rocking with me. I appreciate it, man, for real. Thank y'all. 14,000. Smooth, double black, Johnny Walker, you know what I'm saying? Hell yeah. Anyway, man, y'all already know what this video is about. Let's get into it right quick. Let me take a last shot of this, my bad. Woo! You already know. Shout out to Effects Clothing, Rich Lake Miss. You already know. Out. Yeah, this video is about the Constructs, aka Timberland, the waterproof joints. You already know. Got them right here. And what we're gonna do, I hope that was good, because I ain't about to do it again. Boom. Got the joints right here. Bam. 149 bucks. Shout out to the military discount. Size 9.5. Y'all niggas know how to read, right? Anyway, yeah. Hey, this is my favorite thing to do with Tim's right here. Check this out. I love this shit right here.
Yeah, yeah, yo, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you already know, boy. What's up, man? So yeah, hey, boom. Ooh, got the Constructs. You know what I'm saying? On deck, boy. Woo, got the rookies. Got the rookies.
I'll check you out.
Yo, man, shut up, man. You done over there. Stop playing, man. Ooh, buttery. So, look at this. Damn, I can tell you a funny story about Tim's too. I remember one time I bought a fake pair from China. Yep, way back in the day. My man put me onto it, matter of fact. But when I got them, I was like, nah. So what I did was I bought a pair from the PX. I had somebody else take the pair back. That worked at the PX, that was crazy. Had somebody else take the other pair back. I was like, yeah, nah, I don't want these. You know what I'm saying?
I love that story.
I feel bad for whoever's mother bought them damn Constructs, boy, cause whew, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, yeah, man, got these joints right here. We're gonna do a little, damn, I've never done a review on Tim's, never. Y'all don't need one though, right? Hey, y'all already know what I'm about to do with that tree though, but man, ever since I can remember, oh no, ever since I can remember taking like gearing or fashion, like kind of serious, or rocking some gear serious, yo, Tim's have always been in the arsenal. Especially these are like my first pair. I remember, shout out to this cat, Jason Briscoe. I remember he let me borrow a pair of his. His joints were looking like mine with the flap, but I ain't care. We was with it. You know, I was with it. I think I rocked them joints to the Fulbright Fair and shit. Word. But yeah, hell yeah, nah, I gotta undo these. So yo, let me tell y'all something, man.
Okay, but listen up.
When it comes to the Structs,
I'm gonna break it down.
what I do is I ask the whoever, I be like, yo, can you bring me 2 pair out the back? I just wanna, they already know what time it is, cause I wanna make sure I get the right joint. I would never order a pair of Constructs off the internet. I don't care how cheap the price is. I'm not doing it, nah. Because you might send me some bullshit, and that's happened to me before. I remember Timberland, they sent me a pair where the sole, this part right here, it wasn't like, I call it like, it's kind of like an eraser kind of paint. It was dark, and I'm looking at my joints the whole day, rocking. I'm looking at everybody, I'm like, nah, man, it's just something ain't right. So nah, never. I make sure I get my joint. But yeah, you already know, boy, I'm gonna take that pilot pen and I'm gonna darken up that tree right there. I think that separates, like, I mean, it's the little things. Little things lead to big results that people peep that.
You non-talking bastard.
People do peep that. People be like, yo, I see, nah, you peep that. I can't do, nah, you know, I gotta get the pilot pen and do my thing. But this video right here, I'm gonna lace these joints up. But let me just show y'all these, man. Boy, they go to sole right there, yeah? And in the middle, you got your Timberland lettering with the tree logo. This part of the sole right here, you don't want to get kicked in the face by. Word or stomp. You already know, man, when it comes to the struts, always got you gotta get the two-tone sole. Don't get the dual. Have I got the, not the dual, I just said, have I got the solo sole before? Hell yeah. When I was in Afghanistan, I wore them in Afghanistan. You know, but I just couldn't see. No, I had a pair of these out there too. So anyway, but yeah, now the upper, boy, it's that wheat, the real wheat. Love this joint right here, man. The suede looks so buttery. One thing I do like about a fresh pair of Constructs are the seams right here. Boy, you step in the club with this. This one I say it separates like from an old pair of Timbs. You step in the club with these joints, with that net right there, with the white inseams. Woo! You hit that black light. Oh man, you know what I'm saying? And they gonna be.
Who is that, Shawnee's?
You know what I'm saying? They gonna peep, man. Boy, hang tag. I used to use these. I used to have a lot of these on my keychain. Shout out to my man Fred. He used to work at Jimmy Jazz in the Chuck. Shout out to Charleston, South Carolina. Only been down there once, but yo, my man used to work down there and he used to like bring mad joints like these back up, and even the ones he didn't give to me, I would eventually acquire them. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, now you get to the top, you get to the upper. We ain't even gonna do the lateral and whatever, the medial, because you already know, man. You know what these are. Stop playing. But anyway, yo, and then the upper, boy, I love this part right here. This is what really sets it off. I don't like any other Construct like without this, especially without the top. Hell nah, boy. I be looking. You know, sometimes I think they got the one with the top that'll rock you to sleep a bit. You know what I'm saying? Even with y'all kids, man, I think they be rocking y'all to sleep with the soles, but you know, get your foot game up. But nah, and then you got the laces, man. You got the laces. I love Constructs, boy. Like, y'all just don't understand. And this ain't no like, oh, like just some like New York bias or some shit like that. Nah, hell no. Carolina days was with the shits. Was with the shits. Hell yeah, man. They just look so buttery. You know, like it's just, man, this is much needed. But first thing you got to do before you even rock them, thinking about rock, spray them joints down before you take them anywhere. But we're about to get into what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lace them up. Shout out to everybody that checked out my other Timberland lace up tutorial. That's just how I do it. You know what I'm saying? My shit ain't etched in stone, so you know, do it how you want. When it comes to the Constructs, I be like, I like to rock mine like I don't like them, but when they look like I don't like them, I don't like to rock them. That makes sense to y'all?
Well,
but no, I mean, that's just it. You know what I'm saying? I like some wild. You know, some people have said, oh, it's the jail style or something. Like, not for me to mimic anything. And now that it is the holidays, man, make sure y'all, you know, throw something on somebody's books that you know, like that's, because it is the holidays. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, yeah, I just, like I say, man, when I lace, I just throw them on there. I want the laces to look crazy, but everything is about that this boot is so fucking fresh, you know? Like, I love these joints, and that's why I'm glad I got these on, because I'm like, yo, this is what I'm doing my on feet in. I'm not dancing. I'm just about to lace these joints up, and we just gonna go from there, man. Yo, check this out. Let me ask y'all a question. What's your favorite Timberland boot? Let me know. Is it like the 40 below? Is it 20? Do y'all like, you know, is it Constructs? What are they? I know it looks like on my channel that I only do the, you know, like the, how you say the name? I don't know.
Earl, leave that nigga alone.
Like, I just stick to the basics. I do. What was it? I do. My bad. But anyway, yeah, nah, I do. But I have been looking at those. What is it, like those 20 below, the black ones with that gum bottom? Yo, them joints look alright. But nah, I just like the originals. I just like to stick to the originals, man. I love these joints right here. Lace them how you want to. This is just how I lace them. And like I say, man, damn, yo, that tongue. I hope this tongue lasts. Pause for at least 3 seasons. And you know, cool. The last pair of Constructs I had lasted 5 seasons, and I really appreciate them. But yo, got my joints, man. I love these right here. Ain't nothing like them. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to ramble on, but just say you starting out your closet. You starting it out. You got like 2 or 3 sneakers, man. Get a fresh pair of these in your arsenal. You good, boy?
Don't call me a boy, please.
I'm telling you, man, you good for real. I know how it was. This shit ain't come overnight. I'm telling you straight up. I remember when I was in 9th grade, I had 2 pair of jeans and like maybe a pair of sneaks. It wasn't that my peoples was poor or nothing like that. They just wasn't in. They ain't know. They was like,
I don't have to do nothing around here except for pay the bills, put food on the table, and put clothes on your back. You understand?
when I finally started, like when I got a job or when I was able to, my mother bought me my first pair of Constructs, and I love her for that. She about to take them back, I remember. But anyway, yo, she gangster with that. Remember, she took back my 3s. But anyway, man, F all that. Right now, we're just gonna get into tying them. I'm gonna let you see a couple looks. I'm gonna keep these pants on with them. But do me a favor, hit me up with 300 likes on this joint. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to the Wave Mob. Y'all already know. Follow me on that Snap. Follow me on the IG. Follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be. But that's Snups. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you. Out.
My mother always told me I was born to be a winner. And on that very night, couldn't afford to eat a dinner. I'm forced to be a sinner, cause I will never starve again. I seen my father sin, and what he did, it never bothered him. I'm a part of him, I'm a made man. And I retire a giant just like Strahan. Even Malcolm went in and came out a great man. And if he's resurrected, I'll be the first that he shakes hands with. They say that I got a gift, I say that I got a chip on my shoulder that's like a brick. I say that I got a fifth in my holster that's like a bitch. I finger fuck it and grip it and choke it until she trip. I'm quite simply the strongest nigga to do it. You came up in 04, that rain influenced your music. I'm the heart of the streets, that's how I slaughter the beat. And since I've been presidential, it seems I'm harder to reach. I spit as sharp as a crease, I guess it's in my jeans though. When it comes to this bread, niggas ain't never seen dope. When it comes to this bread, niggas know that your cream low. Lactose intolerant, I clap your conglomerates. That rock wallet shit, that kill you for $1 shit. School of hard knocks, all props and no scholarships. I see my father slip in the cracks of the hardest bricks. Life is a movie and truly I got the darkest script. Analyze this, I'm Paul Vitti in the mix. See my pops pass, I'm a gangster but I need a shrink. Lefty Ruggiero, blaring out of your stereo. Your man is Donnie, hand me the Tommy, scratch off the cereal.